Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've done a vlog, so I want to do something special. For Christmas, some of my friends and I did a secret Santa. What my Santa gave me was a box of temporary purple hair dye, and this is me trying it for the first time. It was really simple and easy to do. It is also a vegan / cruelty-free hair product, which made me feel even better. And I was really happy with how it turned out, and even though my hair is not naturally very light, it was still very visible without any bleaching. It is a temporary dye, and since I was swimming a lot during the break, it came out within a couple of days, but while it was there, it was very vibrant. Since the bottle came with a lot of dye, I also did a streak of my grandma's hair. Once it was dry, I went outside and I took some pictures and videos as a way to kind of memorialize the purple hair. As you can see in the natural light, it stands out even more, which I love. I actually haven't re-dyed it since then, and editing this makes me want to do it again soon. It was so fun to have the purple hair, and how I did it was I did some underneath. Like you saw earlier, I had the top of my hair in a bun, except with a few strands in the front part of my head. I was inspired by TikTok trends for hairstyles from quarantine. So here are some more angles from what it looks like from the side and from the back, and kind of how I layered it. I wanted to look somewhat normal with my hair down, but then when I pull it up or tie it back, it's like bam. Also, at the very beginning of quarantine, I used blonde dye on the ends of my hair, and I think there's still a little bit of it left at this point, but just hardly. This is a second clip which gives you a better idea of what the color looks like underneath. If you're considering dyeing your hair in a natural color, I suggest doing a temporary dye like this, because you don't have to live with the consequences if you don't like it, and also if you just want to do it for like a week, it's perfect. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye!